In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft Excel you have, whether you're troubleshooting compatibility issues, looking to update your software, or just plain curious. Knowing the version of Excel on your device can be quite useful. Let's explore how to find this information quickly and easily. First, you'll want to start by opening Microsoft Excel on your computer. Now, this step might seem straightforward, but it's a crucial starting point. Once Excel is up and running, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a tab labeled File. Give it a click. This will take you to a new menu screen that hosts a variety of different options and settings. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar filled with several categories. Look through these and click on Account. Now, it's worth noting that if you don't immediately see Account, don't worry. Your version of Excel might require you to click More first before the option becomes visible. It's a small but important detail to keep in mind. After you've clicked on Account, take a glance to the right side of the window under the section labeled Product Information. Here you'll find the name of your product. This could be something like Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise, or perhaps Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021, for instance. The product name gives you a broad idea of the version you're working with, but there's more to uncover if you're looking for specifics. Should you need detailed information such as the full build number and the bit version, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit, look no further than the About Excel button. This small but mighty button is located right below the product name you just found. By clicking on About Excel, you'll open a window revealing comprehensive details about your Excel version, including the exact version number and its bit architecture. This information is particularly useful if you're working in an environment where these nuances matter, like software development or data analysis. And there you have it, a straightforward way to check what version of Microsoft Excel you currently have installed on your machine. Knowing your version can be especially handy when downloading templates, add-ons, or when seeking help from external resources, as it ensures everything you use is compatible and optimized for your setup. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident finding this information in your own version of Excel. If you've learned something new today, feel free to share this video with friends or colleagues who might find it equally useful. Thank you for tuning in, and happy excelling!